Hi guys! I'm back again for another full review and nakikita nyo naman guys kung anong i-review natin ngayon. So wag na natin patagalin pa and let's start the full review for the OnePlus 8. And before I start my full review for the OnePlus 8, ipapakita ko lang din sa inyo guys yung quick unboxing ko for the phone because during that time na na-receive ko ang phone na ito, hindi talaga maganda yung pakiramdam ko. So I just decided just to do a quick unboxing video for the OnePlus 8. So wag na natin patagalin pa guys. Ito na ang ating quick unboxing for the OnePlus 8. So that's it for my quick unboxing for the OnePlus 8. And so far guys, if you're gonna ask me sa first impression ko nung una kong in-unbox ang ating OnePlus 8, sobrang na-amaze ako and manghang-manga ako sa color ng ating OnePlus 8. As you can see, we have the glacial green for this phone. And sobrang premium ng look niya and also very compact ng phone. And what's good thing about sa likod ng ating OnePlus 8, may matte finish na siya so mas less yung fingerprint smudges niya sa ating OnePlus 8 and very compact ng ating phone. So far when it comes to the build and design, approved siya sa akin guys, especially sa color. And if you're gonna ask kung meron pang other available na color for the OnePlus 8, yes guys, we have the Onyx Black, Glacial Green, Interstellar Glow, and the Polar Silver. Na-mention ko na rin on my previous video guys na this is the perfect punch hole camera design sa isang smartphone this 2020 since habang nanonood kayo ng movies, Netflix, YouTube at naglalaro ng games, sobrang immersive talaga siya guys and very cinematic yung feel since nasa upper left corner lang siya ng ating OnePlus 8 Pro at hindi rin ganong kalaki yung punch hole camera ng ating OnePlus 8. And as you can see, sobrang vibrant and very vivid ng colors ng ating OnePlus 8. And also, sobrang accurate ng colors para sa ating phone as this has a 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED display with 1080p resolution, 402 ppi density, HDR10+, and what's good thing about this phone, this one has a 20:9 aspect ratio. So mas cinematic talaga yung feels while watching movies and playing games sa ating OnePlus 8. And also, not only that, meron din tayong 90Hz refresh rate sa ating OnePlus 8. Kaya sobrang buttery smooth ng ating display at sobrang bilis ng ating phone, guys. Hindi mo naman talaga kailangan ng 4, 5, 6, or 10 camera para lang masabi na maganda yung camera quality ng isang smartphone. Just like the OnePlus 8, as you can see, we have a triple camera setup for this phone with a 48 megapixel with f1.8 aperture Sony IMX586 wide camera, a 16 megapixel with f2.2 aperture ultra wide camera, and a 2 megapixel with f2.4 aperture macro lens. For the front or selfie camera naman natin, guys, we have a 16 megapixel with f2.0 aperture wide camera. For video recording, both front and back can actually shoot up to 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. So I'll be showing you some sample photos na nakunan ko using this phone para masabi talagang maganda ang camera quality ng ating OnePlus 8. Very good dynamic range. I like the details of the photos. Very accurate ng color. So far, okay na okay siya when it comes to the camera quality for the OnePlus 8. Tanong ni Alex Vergara, is the phone can be used for vlogging? Definitely and 100% yes. Kung napanood nyo ang Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S sa aking channel, ang ginamit kong camera for that video is the OnePlus 8, and so far satisfied ako sa performance when it comes to video recording, and nakita nyo naman kung gaano ka-stabilize ang phone na yon. Actually, hindi, if I remember it correctly, hindi ko nga inon yung stabilization for that phone. But so far and overall, okay na okay ang camera performance ng ating OnePlus 8. Tanong ni Jessie Torres, is the camera great? As mentioned a while ago, satisfied na satisfied talaga ako sa camera performance ng ating OnePlus 8. Kaya sabihin natin tatlo lang yung camera niya for the OnePlus 8. Sobrang ganda pa rin ng picture or photo quality para sa ating OnePlus 8. The phone runs in Oxygen OS 10 based on Android 10 and powered na rin siya ng pinaka-latest at bagong flagship chipset, which is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 with GPU of Adreno 650, and yung variant na meron ako right now, guys, is the 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. But in the Philippine market, guys, ang available lang or yung magiging available lang for the OnePlus 8 is the 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. So right now, guys, I have in front of me Asphalt 9. Definitely, guys, I'm not gonna argue or even question the chipset for the 865. I tried it before. Sobrang powerful ng ating Snapdragon 865. So enough playing with the Asphalt 9, so I'll be showing you the Antutu Benchmark score na nakuha natin for the OnePlus 8 and see kung gaano nga ba talaga ka-powerful ang ating smartphone. So may nagtanong sa inyo, guys, how much nga ba ang ating OnePlus 8? Tanong ni Macnay TV at ni Smiley Face. I'm not sure kung anong pangalan niya, but I'll show you here kung sino yung nagtanong. So how much nga ba ang ating OnePlus 8? As far as I know, guys, for the 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Available siya soon in Digital Walker and for only 35,990 if I'm not mistaken for the 8GB of RAM and 128GB variant. For the stereo and sound quality para sa ating OnePlus 8 at kung narinig nyo kanina while playing Asphalt 9, okay naman talaga yung sound quality para sa ating smartphone as this phone has a dual stereo speaker with Dolby Atmos. And for the battery guys, this phone has a 4,300 mAh battery capacity and capable na rin siya ng fast charging up to 30 watts via warp charger. Tanong ni Jessie Torres, how many hours bago mapuno ang OnePlus 8 using wireless charger? And also, how many hours bago mapuno ang OnePlus 8 using inbox charger? For the wireless charging guys, or Jessie, hindi available ang wireless charging para sa OnePlus 8. Available lang ang wireless charging for the OnePlus 8 Pro. But for the inbox charger, and as mentioned a while ago, capable na ang OnePlus 8 natin ng fast charging up to 30 watts. So in just 22 minutes, you'll get 50% battery capacity sa ating phone. And in less than 60 minutes, you'll get 100% battery capacity para sa OnePlus 8. Before I end this video guys, sasagutin ko pa yung iba nyong katanungan about the OnePlus 8. So tanong ni Delbert Escala Patente, available na ba to dito sa Pilipinas right now? Hindi pa talaga available ang ating OnePlus 8 series sa Pilipinas. I think soon magiging available na siya through Digital Walker PH. So abangan nyo na lang guys, or you can actually follow OnePlus Philippines sa Facebook or Digital Walker sa Facebook. But so far, wala pa talagang nire-release na announcement as to when ibebenta ang ating OnePlus 8 series. So tanong ni Raymart Mauro, may IP rating na po ba yan? Kasi yung OnePlus 7 Pro wala dahil sa pop-up camera. For the OnePlus 8 guys, walang IP rating sa ating OnePlus 8. Alam ko ang meron lang is the OnePlus 8 Pro. But for the... So what do you think of the OnePlus 8? Please leave a comment down below and sabihin niyo sa akin yung thoughts niyo about this phone. At kung naghahanap kayo ng phone guys na less than 4,000 pesos, then this is something that I would actually recommend to you guys since this one has a powerful chipset and also a good camera setup for the OnePlus 8. At kung nagustuhan nyo guys yung unboxing and full review ko for the OnePlus 8, please don't forget to like this video guys, share to your Facebook account, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon para ma-notify kayo sa mga future unboxing video ko. So once again, this is Wax from WaxieTech channel. Have a great day guys. Bye guys.